Good morning, kindergarten. This is for group one. Now, group one today for math, we'll be able to identify the number that comes before and between, and we'll be able to identify the correct time. So, group one, keep turning your math books to page 117. Once you turn to page 117, let's take a look at problem one. Now, problem one wants us to write the number that comes before. So, let's look, the first number that they do give us is 49. Now, what number comes before 49? What number? And then here's a hint, it's in the 40s family. Not 47, not 47. How about, that's correct, 48. Now let's look at the next one we have here. We have 81. What number comes before 81? 80. And let's just do one more. Let's just do one more so I feel comfortable. Let's see. 26. I'm writing the number on the side over here. So what number comes before 26 in the 20s family? 25. Good job. So some of these are from examples. So number one, that's how you solve that. Let's move on to number two, where we have to write the number that comes in between. Let's look at number two. Here we have 32, unknown number, and 34. So what comes between 32 and 34? What do you think? What number in the 30s family? 33. Good job. Let's move on to the next one. Here we have 12 and 14. What comes between 12 and 14? What number do you think comes between 12 and 14? 12, a number, and 14. 13. So 32, 33, 34. 33 comes between those two numbers, and 13 comes between 12 and 14. 12, 13, and 14. Now, when you look at number three wants you to add, very self-explanatory. Take your time when you add each problem. But let's look at number four. It asks us to circle how many cents. Now here we have a quarter. Now usually when we deal with coins, I'll write the exact amount, but I don't want to give the answer away this time. So that coin is a quarter. Now when you're looking at the quarter for the first problem, now is a quarter 15 cent, 25 cent, or 10 cent when you're dealing with one quarter. Just imagine a snack time at school, and you're trying to buy a snack, you have one quarter. How much is a quarter worth? It's not 15 cents, 25. It is 25 cents. Now let's move on to the next one. So here we have a nickel. So we have more than one nickel, so I was actually able to put the amount on there. So a nickel, as we can see, is worth 5 cents. Notice you had 3 nickels, so you're counting by 5. Okay, so whatever answer you have counted by 5 is 3 nickels. Are they worth 15 cents, 25, or 10 cents? Whatever you think the answer to what 3 nickels are worth, you will circle it. Let's move on to the next one, number 5, asking us what time is it. Now, let's get started with the hour hand. We notice the hour hand is pointing to what number? 7. Now, the minute hand is pointed to 3. Start from 1, and we already know we count by 5. 5, 10, 15. 15. So the time for this particular clock is 7:15. Now let's flip the page over to 118. Now, here we have a few word problems, so let's begin. So let's start off. Mom gave Henry 4 carrots. Harry gave 1 to the mailman. I'm sorry, his name is Henry. His name is Henry. His name is Harry. So let's start over again. Mom gave Harry 4 carrots. Harry gave 1 to the mailman. How many carrots does he have left? So let's begin. Read the first sentence again. Mom gave Harry 4 carrots. The number 4. So you're going to underline the number 4 and write that here for the first line. Next, Harry gave 1 to the mailman. 1. That's another number word. So write that right there. So how many carrots does he have left? So whatever the answer to 4 minus 1 is, you write the answer there and right there. So whatever 4 minus 1 is, that will tell you how many carrots that he has left. So let's get started on the next word problem. Now, here's the next word problem. Now, Harry has 3 carrots. He gave 1 to Baby Bunny. How many does he have left now? Let's break it down. Go back to the first sentence. Now, Harry has 3 carrots. 3. 3 is a number word, so we'll underline the word 3, and then we will write the number 3 right there. Sentence number 2. He gave 1 to Baby Bunny. 1. That's another number word, and you'll write 1 right there. Now, how many does he have left? So what is 3 minus 1? What is 3 minus 1? Whatever the answer is, you'll put that here in this blank and right here. That will tell you how many carrots that he has left. Let's move on to our next word problem. Alright, here's our next word problem. Harry has 2 carrots left. He gave a carrot to his sister, Hoppity. How many carrots does he have left now? So Harry's just giving out all his carrots. Let's get started. So Harry has 2 carrots left. Underline the word 2. 2, that's a number. That's a number word. And we're going to write 2 right here. Next, he gave a carrot to his sister, Hoppity. He gave a carrot. So he gave a carrot. So we're going to underline that. And the reason I underline that because it doesn't tell you the word, but it says he gave 1 away. When it says he gave a carrot, A is basically referring to 1. He only gave 1 away to his sister. Now, how many carrots does he have left? So what you're going to do is subtract 2 minus 1. Wherever 2 minus 1 is, the answer will go here and there in the 2 missing blanks. That will tell you how many carrots that Harry has left.